What are you doing? Don't do it.
Yeah, that's not gonna stop a bullet. That's cardboard. All right, hold on. Let's slow this down. It's like rain on a summer's day, a free ride when you're already late. Hey, what's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. We hit 500 and then 600 subscribers, so I want to thank you all for that. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I do these videos where I walk in blindly to a new video every single day with the goal of answering one question. And it's the question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that in today's video, which comes from police activity. Officers shoot knife-wielding suspect after he throws wine bottles at them. Before we jump in, I want to make an announcement. I'm doing a live 500 subscriber special Q&A Monday night. What would Monday night be? The 5th. I'm doing it the 5th of May, this upcoming Monday, at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time. That would be 7:30 p.m. Central Time and 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time and 5:30 p.m. Pacific Time. I'll be doing it for about an hour, but I'm answering all your questions that you want to know, and maybe I'll even answer once and for all, what the hell are the cops doing? I hope you guys are there. I hope you guys share in this incredible accomplishment that we've made together. And again, I appreciate every single one of you for being here and watching every single day. All right, I've never seen this. Here we go.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
840 East Dunne, Safeway.
Yes, sir. What's going on?
Not the Safeway. I thought Safeway was a safe place. It's got it in the name. How could someone get shot at the Safeway?
I have a gentleman in here. He's walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. I asked him...
Is he inside the store?
He sure is.
Has he brandished the knife to anybody?
No, but I asked him why he was carrying a knife, and he just looked at me and walked away.
Tell you right now, where I live, the Safeway does not look like this. The Safeway looks like a homeless shelter, to be honest. So quite jealous of this situation here.
There's a guy with a knife just walking around, and he has a bottle in the other hand.
Was it the same guy from a while ago?
I'm not sure.
He's like,
Yeah, he's just walking around in the store.
Know. How many times has the Safeway had someone with a knife walking around?
He's over here. Papers, 17 weeks.
He hasn't done anything, just walking around with a knife?
Hi, come here, please.
Bring less lethal.
That is a big knife. You can literally see it from here. You can see the blade.
2-7, I'm going to be out with the manager. There is going to be a BM walking around.
BM is blackmail.
With a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. Do me a favor, ma'am. Can you go that way?
She's like, I need to get supplies for curry tonight.
You guys go
Well, you're
that
going to
way,
have to
please?
wait.
153, can you bring the shield, please?
Really good of this officer to be thinking about this proactively.
Hey, firm. I'm trying to get the employees out. You want to drop the knife for me? Want to drop it? So far, refusing commands. Drop the knife.
Is this the same guy from yesterday's video? He's like, nope.
Hey, can you guys all get out of the store for me, please? Everybody, can you guys all get out of the store?
He should have the manager make an announcement. It's a Safeway employee? Oh, shit. Never mind. He just hit a Safeway employee. All right, so now we have aggravated assault.
Hey, which way did he go? Hey, buddy, drop it.
That's a beanbag shotgun,
Drop
by the
it,
way.
buddy.
Hey, stop! Come
What
on,
are you doing?
come on.
What are you doing?
Come on, you're not in trouble, man.
They're not in trouble. They just don't want you back.
You're not in trouble. Come
Put
on.
the knife down.
What are you doing, bro?
You need to obey our commands.
What are you doing? You know you're gonna get. This is a lot worse, right? We're literally just trying to talk to you.
I don't know if I would split up the way that other officer did, because then we might get into a crossfire issue.
Did he? Hey, what happened? What happened? Did he hit you?
Is that a woman?
Did he hit you?
What a piece of garbage, man.
Drop it.
Drop the knife. Failure to comply with our commands may result
Drop
in
it.
Hey, you're gonna get tanked.
Drop it.
If he walks towards them, I would beanbag him.
Get him, Eddie. You're gonna get tanked. Failure to listen to my commands will result in force of deadly force used
He
against you.
hit one of the employees
Good
back here,
commands.
Sergeant Silva. Did he stab you or did he hit you? Did he stab you or hit you?
Drop the weapon.
Drop the knife.
Taser deployed.
Hey, he stabbed him that way.
This is so sketchy. Oh. What is that? Well, it doesn't matter, I guess. This Safeway is gonna get destroyed.
Stop it! Stop! Stop!
What a maniac! You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of that video we watched where the deer was inside the house and just like jumping around everywhere. They're justified in using force at this point. They need to tase him or something. That's active aggression.
Shots fired.
Oh, they did. Okay.
Shots fired.
It didn't connect though.
Stop! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop!
All right. He has to shoot after the wine bottle is thrown at him, or else I would say no go on the shooting. No good. No good on the shooting. Not justified. All right, so there's the taser. I don't know who fired the round. Oh, shit, there it is. So, let's watch that. Wine bottle. He pulls the gun. There we go. All right. I honestly think he may have shot the wine bottle. But at the point, the wine bottle becomes a deadly weapon. Well, does it? One could argue that if the wine bottle hits the officer in the head, it knocks him unconscious, which then opens up the officer's gun to being grabbed by the suspect. I would say the shot fired is a good shot.
Shots fired.
Because he shot after the wine bottle was thrown.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
What a maniac.
Don't do it.
So this is the taser, I believe.
Don't do it.
No, this is a gun. Because you can see the
Don't
flashlight.
do it.
Yep.
You're gonna lose, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's deputies everywhere. There's deputies everywhere, man.
I will
Just get down on your knees.
they're doing a really good job trying to communicate with him, but he's not willing to communicate whatsoever. As we watch, it's very clear.
Just get down. It's over. Just get down. It's over, man. Come on.
He's already hurt one
You want
person.
to fight? Well, get down. All right, you're gonna lose, bro. You're gonna lose.
What a piece of shit for hitting that woman, though. Like, honestly.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do it.
Yeah, that's not gonna stop a bullet.
You're
that's That's cardboard. All right, hold on. Let's slow this down. Let's slow this
What are
down.
you doing?
So that's a wine bottle.
Don't do it.
Hold on, hold on.
Stop. You're gonna.
Not justified in my opinion. No reason to shoot there. I didn't see any active aggression like raising of the wine bottle or raising of the knife, so I would not agree with that shot, those shots fired.
270 shots fired. Get down! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Yeah, he's hurt.
Stop! Stop! Just stop! Get down! Get down on your knees! Stop! Stay down!
He's doing a good job of issuing commands though.
Stay down!
Stop! Stop!
This is so
wanna get you help?
sketchy because you can't see on the other side of these shelves.
I'm going taser! Hey, stop, okay?
That did nothing.
Get on your stomach right now.
He's gonna need some of this though, I will say. Some pain relief, because he's probably in pain after getting shot. Lame attempt at a joke right there.
We want to help you. Stop! Anybody else got a taser or anything? Get on your stomach!
At some point, they need to take control of him right now. He's on the ground. He's discombobulated. I don't know if that's the word. He's off balance. Now is the perfect time.
Slippery. Stop! Stop!
Watch the glass, watch the glass.
He's got my camera.
Guys, we got to get at least one cuff on him.
Slippery. Anybody got a cuff? Get one cuff here.
Once you get one cuff on, it's much easier to effect the arrest.
Turn around.
Because then you can wrench back using a wrist lock to bring the cuffed arm back, and then it's usually pretty easy to get control of the second arm.
Yeah, we'll get the arm, we'll get the arm.
Nice pink cuffs.
Cuff.
Fun fact, I used to use pink cuffs during Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Here's another one.
I got the arm.
He is on something, I will tell you that much. God, look at the radio. The radio wire is all tangled up.
Are you okay? Yeah.
Wowie zowie. All right. Holy smokes. That was a crazy one. All right. Those shots fired around this time
He's everywhere. Man, come on.
were not justified. As I stated before,
270 shots. Don't
there
do
was
it.
no sign of active aggression. Just simply being ran at is not enough for a shooting. I don't know where the knife is. I can't see the knife.
Stop. You're gonna.
Yeah. I would say those shots right there were not justified. I think the officers did a really good job of issuing commands throughout the entire time. I don't think they wanted to shoot him. I don't think they went into this situation hoping for this outcome. The reason I say that is because they did a really good job of just talking to him, trying to understand what was going on, but he gave them absolutely nothing. Does that mean because he wasn't talking that he deserves to get shot? No. But he did assault the Safeway employee, the woman on the ground. I believe he hit her with a wine glass. So that kind of raises the officer's tensions at that point when they see her on the ground. And then the knife is a huge concern. So I don't know if this officer thought he saw the knife on him and then just kind of shot him preemptively. I have no idea. But the shot beforehand, the one near the beginning, I would say that was a justified shooting because he was actively throwing the wine bottles. And like I said, if the wine bottle were to hit an officer in the head, that does open them up to serious injury. And then if they were to fall down and lose consciousness, that then opens up all of their tools, such as the taser, the baton, and the gun. That opens all that up for grabs for the suspect. Overall, I give them a C, mostly because of these shots fired. I'm grading them as a whole. So those are my thoughts on this video. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. It was a graphic one, but I would love to know your thoughts. Do you think the shooting was justified? And then a reminder, Monday, 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time, live Q&A 500 subscriber special. If you go to the live tab on my profile, you can set an alert to be reminded of when that's about to begin. Appreciate you all being here. Appreciate the 608 I think we're at. Awesome. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Again, they're not very polished. I'm walking in blindly just to kind of walk you through my thoughts as a former law enforcement officer. Thank you all for being here. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. And I will see you Monday night at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time.